are the gears you need to make orchestral music? In the last episode, I explained how to make like the overview of orchestral music production. Today I'll show you the gears, hardware and the software to program virtual orchestra. But they are expensive, right? Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you the minimal ways to get started. And my recommendations are in the description. Can I make my orchestras on my laptop? Well, it's not impossible, but if you want to make like large orchestral pieces, you should have powerful computer. We use something called sample libraries and they use so much RAM and storage. I highly recommend you get a Windows machine with at least 32 gigabytes of RAM or a powerful Mac computer. They also take up a lot of space. For example, I used up 2 terabytes HDD in no time, so I bought 15 terabytes HDD. I got a computer, so how can I connect my speakers? You need something called an audio interface. It's a hub to connect your devices to your computer, such as speakers, headphones, and electric guitars, basses. Is it okay to use my earbuds? It's possible, but I don't recommend it. It's okay for now, but if you want more people to enjoy your music, well, you will need studio headphones and speakers. I suggest you get at least cheap studio headphones for now. So next thing is keyboard. I have to buy keyboard, right? It's not necessary for now. You can use your mouse to, program notes. However, it will take forever to make orchestras. Even if you can't play piano, I suggest you get a MIDI keyboard with at least 49 keys. Anything else? You want MIDI faders, Well, you can't play something like violins with keyboard, right? So MIDI faders allow you to play crescendo and diminuendo. Okay, I think the hardware is ready. So what software do you use? We use digital audio workstations, or DAW, or DAW for short. You watched the last episode, right? All the process is done in DAW. Does it come with orchestras? Unfortunately, no. You have to buy orchestral libraries and load them in your DAW. But there are freebies, so please read the description. I remember in the last episode you were talking about mixing and mastering. Can you do it in a DAW? Yeah, those have some features to mix and master tracks. And they also come with basic plugin effects such as equalizers and compressors, and you can also add third-party ones later. Now, now you are ready to make orchestral music. I'm so excited, but I want more professional sounds than freebies. Hey, take it easy. You can use your, freebies to make some songs. But now I think it's good for you to know beginner-friendly orchestral libraries. So I'll show you my recommendations in the next episode. So please hit subscribe. Please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate your like. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. If you can dream it, you can produce it. Bye bye.